Welcome to our channel. Samsung's portrait mode uses advanced camera technology to create professional-looking photos with beautiful background blur, making your subject stand out. Here's how to use this feature effectively. Step 1. Open the camera app on your Samsung device. You'll see various shooting modes at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Swipe through the camera modes and select portrait mode. You may also see it labeled as Live Focus on some Samsung models. Step 3. Position your subject between 1.5 to 5 feet away from the camera. Portrait mode works best at this distance range for optimal depth detection. Step 4. Make sure there's good lighting on your subject. Portrait mode performs better in well-lit conditions and helps the camera distinguish between subject and background. Step 5. Before taking the photo, you can adjust the background blur intensity. Use the slider that appears on screen to increase or decrease the bokeh effect strength. Step 6. Look at the screen to ensure the camera has detected your subject correctly. You'll see an outline or indicator showing what's in focus when the camera is ready. Step 7. Tap the shutter button to capture your portrait photo. The camera will process the image and apply the background blur effect. Step 8. After taking the shot, you can edit the blur intensity in the Gallery app. Open the photo, tap Edit, and adjust the background blur level even after capturing the image. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.